Today we are checking out the XREAL Air glasses.
XREAL Air.
The XREAL Air.
XREAL Air.
This, in short, turns your glasses into a static, massive 130-inch equivalent 16:9 display.
Letting you mirror whatever is on your iPhone screen at 130 inches.
So it's great to have a giant version of your iPhone screen.
You get the most gorgeous projection right in front of your eyes, but the glasses have a higher perceived sharpness and resolution than any VR headset ever made.
These are retina level displays, they are super sharp and crispy.
So they are super lightweight.
More importantly, for a product like this, they're comfortable.
Game-changing solution to a problem I've been having with eye strain.
Video streaming and playback on these things is freaking awesome.
And you can even take your gaming experience to a whole nother level if you happen to have a Steam Deck.
Watching videos and movies, it's been great.
You can wear them at work, you can wear them traveling, and you're not gonna look crazy. They look like a regular pair of glasses. And ladies and gentlemen, these just blew my mind. I'm giving the XREAL Airs a major go.
We're overlaying digital content onto the real world, but these glasses take that concept 100 steps further.
It's a game changer.
It's one of the coolest pieces of tech that I've had in here in quite some time.
But for right now, XREAL does have the best kind of setup for this mixed reality type of stuff.
This is the XREAL Air.